If you're dealing with thick, discolored, or brittle nails caused by fungal damage, you've likely come across Kerasal Fungal Nail Renewal. With over 63,000 ratings and an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars on Amazon, it's no surprise this product has gained popularity. But is it actually legit, and does it really work? What is Kerasal Fungal Nail Renewal? Kerasal is a topical nail solution designed to improve the appearance of nails damaged by fungus. It doesn't cure fungal infections, but it helps restore nails by reducing discoloration and thickness. The formula combines urea, propylene glycol, and lactic acid, which work together to penetrate deeply, hydrate, exfoliate, and improve nail texture. Users can start seeing visible changes in as little as 2 days, with continued improvement over weeks. What customers say. According to Amazon customer feedback, Kerasal delivers noticeable results when used consistently. Many reviewers mention significant improvement in nail color and smoothness. It's not a cure for fungal infection, but it's especially praised for its cosmetic benefits. Some customers even posted before and after photos to show the visible transformation. Here are a few common points from the reviews. Quick results. Many users noticed changes within a week. Easy to apply. The precision applicator helps cover the nail and under the tip with ease. Non-irritating. Most users report no burning or discomfort. Value. For money. With a price starting around $16.32, many found it affordable compared to prescription treatments. Is it worth trying? Yes. Kerasal Fungal Nail Renewal is a legitimate over-the-counter option for people looking to improve the appearance of nails affected by fungus. It doesn't replace prescription antifungals, but it helps restore the look of the nail. It's best used as part of a larger care routine, especially if you're already treating the underlying infection with medication. Final thoughts. If your goal is to improve the look of damaged nails without a prescription, Kerasal is a well-reviewed, widely trusted option. With consistent daily use, many users report smoother, clearer nails over time. For those struggling with unsightly nail damage, this product could be a smart addition to your nail care routine.